Big up Crosses TV. Crosses TV.
Tom and what's up, baby? And my friend's launching. Crosses TV, alright, go. You know, see my post one nice video on my blood clot TikTok. I've been over back with my love, you know, one short chat, but you rather do all under me a show. Cause I don't want the girl them don't win. Girl, where you going? Me I go and launching auntie. Me never gonna make no dirty blood clot, but people we used to live on everybody one them can style me, my love. None of them. Yeah, cause Bobby down there for my level, no day, no time. The girl them there for my life just there, you're not supposed to argue, Bobby. Bobby down there for your level. Shut up about blood clot medication and this and that and years and all them some of them. No girl now blood clot. Years not kill nobody nowadays, my love. Bobby. Bobby look like you want some more because look, when I lie, but I want some coffee patch here. What was sister girl?
Yeah.
That's how I'm getting here.
Look. It look good.
I don't know Goody. How can I enter this? How can I enter this picture when I've been a trending motherfucker? How can I enter this picture when I've been a trending motherfucker? Yeah, probably something else. And then that's how we got that. About time, you can't do me the way. You know, can't do me the way. You look on the TikTok video, the last post I'm make. You know, do that time, you know. Girl bumper and a girl, I never call it, I never battery. I never call it, I never call it rash.
Wind up your window. Wind up your window.
From A.
Wind up your window.
From I can't do that because one of them see my pretty face. But now wind it up. Them have to see my pretty face. Yeah. My skin out anywhere I go. I love skin out because guess what? I'm a girl clean and pretty. Maybe you can't want me the other time. You can't want me in another no time. We hurt you because I tell you the truth. I tell you the truth, it hurt you. And the truth will always be the truth. Your man hater. I know all of the little jump change where you get the real man them food. The real man food them I get. I now ask price. The real man little change them I get. Girl, mute your phone, I'm on it. Mute it, girl. Mute your phone, I'm on it. But no, I not ask Christ. Look at you food them where I get. What want my nice clean baby? Andrew, want my baby? Andrew, what's up, baby? When I ask Christ, the little chum change when I give a TikTok, I know you had done that on the blood clot boy. Booby in a car talk to me not in a time. Me a trend setter. Me a trend blood clot setter. Big up the clean white teeth, girl. Yeah. Girl teeth white, girl tongue pink. Or it really go. Booby. Booby, you cannot address me not in a time. Me not ask Christ. Me not ask Christ. Or it really go. I post the last video on TikTok. I post the last video on TikTok. I'm telling us if a blood clot do that and beat me. Me a trend blood clot setter. Big up the clean white teeth, girl. Yeah. Girl teeth not in no time. Me not ask Christ. Or it really go. I post the last video on TikTok. I post the last video on TikTok. I'm telling us if a blood clot do that and beat me. I want to do that and beat me. You cannot walk me with none in no time. Always I tell you that. Booby, you can't walk near me dirty and no blood clot time. None of the dirty blood clot, girl. Can't walk near me dirty in no time. Me a trend blood clot setter. Me a trend setter. The way you dance blood clot, Booby, you could even go in a South Korea go make it. Booby, the way you dance, you could even go in Argentina go make it. None of the girl can blood clot chat to me and belittle me. None of the blood clot dirty girl can't belittle me. Me not ask Christ, Booby. Man 8 and 9, you know. Put me together. Who look better? Booby put me and you together. Who look better? Booby me say go do that what me do for my last TikTok video. That me want in a blood clot. Tell her. Do what me do for my last TikTok video. Ambition alone me beat all in a blood clot, girl. Ambition alone can no find can read and write. No find a dirty body man cannot read and write. And cannot read and write. And this is why I'm going to certain countries. This is why I'm going to certain countries and they don't prosper and they don't make it. They don't make it. They have to address them dirty blood clot, girl. I have to address them with stinking, nasty, leaking, draining, rashy body, stinking, halitosis, vulgaris, and them blood clot, dirty hole. Them stink, them skin full of blood clot, rash and scar, and all them are bleaching now make them blood clot come. The bleaching now make them blood clot come and look good. But I have to address them for week out, drain out. I don't know the amount of sitting and yam them out. The amount of something within them body I eat them out to the point where them can't put on no weight. So enough I just nice, clean, ambitious girl like me. All of the time just ambitious girl like me. Majority I get help to fly out.
Babes,
and I'm going to yo me talk my you. Yeah man, listen.
Oh, listen to them on this one.
Yeah, I'm free for talk. Why I can't talk?
Listen, man, easy, man. You know me shut a pussy in them face here now, man. I want to behave yourself, man. We have yourself.
Yeah, as me that say now.
Yeah, a lot of people talk with people, man. We just shut them, man.
Ambition beat them. As much as somebody get them from my life, I boost them. Them girls cannot talk to me. Them girls cannot talk to me. They are not on my level for real. I've been that bitch from Jamaica days.
We have me for.
I've been that ambition bitch. Ambitious as fuck.
Come on. Yeah, you may say a long time you no fuck with me no man.
But to the one across the TV, me don't talk.
Me idea.
We cannot talk to me for sure. No, what she said off me. I laugh at farm. I love when I see the video across the TV post. I love when she talk a fuckery in a dance. All of that. Because sometimes I see some girl that cuss and them cuss over some fuckery. You see like the American trans them, and the American girls them, and the American gays them use ambition. Yo, I swear to God, I used to read that try draw me to that morning now. Yo, I'm a vent and talk now.
Right now, I mean.
So as me that say, yo, I'm a talk. I want to talk. I'm talk now. I want to talk. I can't talk. I can't. I want to talk. Me want to talk. I want to talk. I want to talk. I want to talk. I want to talk. As me that say now.
None of
them bitches can. The girl them sometimes boost them because them just want to boost them. But let me say this. What I've learned with the LGBT community, the Jamaican LGBT community, they like to use shades when it comes down to fashion. And none of these bitches talk about ambition. These bitches use shade. These bitches talk about house. And they don't own any house. They're living after the government. They can't show a land title. They can't show a title. So these bitches use vanity. While what I respect with the LGBT community in America, especially the black community, they fight. They fight, they advocate, they go out and they support their community. They fight for their community. If one of their trans sisters is being killed or murdered or anything, they bury them. They pay that money to bury them and make them have a good funeral. You understand, man? Like that's what you call trendsetter. That's what you call legendary. When you fight for your community, when you go out there and you advocate for your community, that's what you call a trendsetter and a legendary. Not someone who, because you're going to a couple stores, got thief couple clothes, or because you're going to a couple stores, but go rob this and rob that, or because you can put on some good brand, rob clothes, that makes you a trendsetter. So like, Booby, what you're talking about makes no sense, girl. Booby, what you're talking about don't make no sense. Honestly speaking, Booby, what you're talking about don't make no sense. When you're talking about a trendsetter, I can't title my blood clot self as a trend blood clot setter. Because what me do, when I see a girl do it yet. Period. A period. And that's some facts. What me do when I see a girl do it yet. Two fucking countries. Two countries. Two countries. Let's get into it. Two countries that doesn't speak English. This bitch went into and blew up a star. And I'm yet to see one of y'all but motherfuckers do it. Period. I don't want y'all haters to hate me. I want y'all to just understand that respect is due. Put some respect on my name. But then I'll pick my fruits up, bitch. Period. Yeah. I'm not gonna argue with these bitches that are beneath me. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna argue with these bitches that are beneath me. Yeah, no girl never fell under that tie yet. No girl never came and fill a prescription yet. So at the end of the day, bitches will talk all kind of shit. But I will forever be that bitch. Period. Boo boy used to live under the gully to blood clot. Booby, we used to walk on a thief. Thief from our own. When the lottie boy them asleep, him thief them things. So how you gonna talk to somebody like me, girl? I never thief from a lottie boy yet. I don't believe in that. I don't believe in that. I go there for my own. What are you talking about? We used to live under the gully and shit a bush. How the fuck can somebody that even used to live under the gully click alive and argue with fucking people? And the fact that you used to live under the gully, the fact that you used to live under the gully and you didn't even elevate yourself. Yeah, bitches are delusional. In a delusion of blood clot. Come on for the drugs there, girl. Somebody can envy you, especially me. Me can envy you. And I've been that trending bitch from Jamaica days. From Facebook days. My name ring a bell. How somebody can owe me for envy you? My name ring a bell. So how can I envy you? Girl, go sit your ass down, girl. Booby is crazy as fuck. Booby is crazy as fuck. Go sit your ass down. How me for envy you, Booby? Booby, me can't envy you. I've been that bitch from Jamaica days. That's what I'm saying to y'all. And then some of y'all, some of the people that were under them live made them feel like them really is that bitch or them is that person. Girl, from Facebook days when I do prank calls, when I sit in front of how much people on Facebook days, that's from 2008, 9, 10. I never knew you bitches. None of y'all bitches would have come out. None of y'all bitches was even brave enough to come out. What you talking about, Booby? Booby, my name ring a bell in every fucking entertainer's mouth and ears. When you say Likkle Kev, that ring a bell in every entertainer's mouth and ears. Booby, you just dip on TikTok, I do like someone I earn like $10 and $6. Girl, sit back, relax, earning like $6 and whatever. Y'all don't want to take me back to square one. Don't wake up Likkle Kev on me. Period. I'm being good. I'm chilling. I'm doing me. I'm loving myself. I'm learning to love myself more. I'm learning to focus on me. Y'all don't want to wake up the wrong demons inside of me, girl. Period. Because if y'all do, I'm telling you, it's not going to be a pretty. I will literally turn this motherfucking table over. I will turn the table over. I will turn the table over, make every champagne and glass broke. The fuck you talking about envy, girl? How can somebody envy you? I can't envy none of the blood clot, y'all. The fuck? I can't envy no girl. Every girl gets L. Majority of them batty boy always sit there for now and them girl get L from Rainbow Railway for come America. Who not get L from Rainbow Railway? Rob and scam and do all kind of stuff, man. What the fuck? So who for envy now? All people for envy now? No, they don't have nothing for nobody envy now. You don't have nothing. All of us live the same fucking life. Not all of us. Period. Different category. A lot of bitches are in different category. Because a lot of bitches are overseas working their honest bread, working for their own, not being envious, not being jealous, not running any competition. So make a mistake, that's all. So not everybody are do the same. But majority are living this. That's I'm rate that song the Spice thing, different category. We shop the same place, some man a rob. Some of us got the same shape, some of us. Some of us got the same man, we share the same man. Some of us rock the same ear, the same clothes. We got the same house. Some of us live off a government. Well, me not yet. Me not yet. But some of us live off a government. Some in a government house. So what's there to envy
Babes,
a bitch about? What's there to envy somebody about?
babe,
When they can come live and they can pull out a land title, then they can talk. Then they can talk. You know what I'm trying to say? Pull out your land
baby,
title. Pull out a title.
baby,
Pull out a land title. Put out some receipts say by the house the cat. Then you can talk to and then you can argue with people. We don't argue over vanity. Some little clothes in go in a store of teeth and all them little fucker there. And some
baby.
little $10 with some girls send up on TikTok and all that. Y'all bitches are delusional and weird. Wake the fuck up. Bitches, wake up. Wake up, period. Wake up. Stop being delusional. Yeah, yeah. Yeah.
Babes,
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I know
babe.
that.
Nah, me come and feel like
Yeah,
me.
because more
Me
talk.
come and
But
feel
me
like me
got to
soon
more bent,
come
more
back
talk,
and
to
I do
more too
something.
much bitches walking over. So I think it's because I've changed and I'm being
You know, I'm
soft.
paying
So I
attention,
want to
just a
talk.
cuss and
So get
color
off
in
my
and
live, let
in
me
the mind.
talk. Get off my live, let me talk.
I'm te- and I tell you to stop it. Listen, listen, stop. Let people feel like babes. You have me. Stop worry about people. I tell you, much time takes me kill fear. Stop make people feel like say yo, Ray. You know what to do already. Them fuck up. Just give me a call and say babes the same day. For Jamaica I'm there, just give me a
Alright,
call
yeah,
and
you
say
know.
you're the same day.
I can't
If a
go
foreign
call
him
for
there,
it. I
you
can't go
give me a
tell
call. See him, make
me
a mother
call
kill as a
him.
foreign to see him.
Yeah.
Alright, text me for WhatsApp.
Mm. Yeah, as me that say. But not have time for argue with no bitches, like literally. These bitches are delusional. Them delusional for sure. Cross this TV, them delusional, bad, bad, bad. You can't want to argue with me and say me bad mind, I'm for bad mind, you know. When you ever follow me, go fill prescription. And when you ever follow me, go doctor. Never. None. Never ever follow me, go doctor yet. Go fill prescription. And at the end of the day, you know, use this eight thing, and use eight thing till almost every girl on IG or every girl on TikTok. In the class, everybody about eight. Wake up. Only an idiot does that. Because guess what? It's not killing nobody nowadays, my love. Talk about something different. Come with something different. You know, call girl nine finger. Still, that no. Come with something different. Let's talk about ambition. Ambition. We don't have the majority and I don't have. Who be just what they want video they come out with it too. When they got teeth. And police have been like van back. And you're load up on a one girl. Who be the way you done stand dark and illiterate. Nobody can have a conversation with a girl. You cannot read or write. That's what I beat you guys to. This is why I don't come live and I don't tackle up myself. I don't. But I can stoop to your level. I can stoop to your level. That's the thing. I can stoop to your level. I can stoop to your level of being dark and illiterate and nuts. But I choose not to. I don't talk, not to, not for girl. I don't have time for submit me. You think me I can sit down and store two for people with the need me? You just calling me.